Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Okay, so the next one we're doing right now is the Gourmet Landscapes, and we're going to be doing the roasted bone marrow with onion marmalade, pickled mushrooms, matcha lettuce, bone marrow snow, and then the wild mushroom risotto with aged parmesan, truffle shavings, and zinfandel reduction. To drink, we're going to do the frozen rusty nail cocktail, and then we're either going to do the cuvee or the merlot. But I think I told you to do the cuvee, so we'll see. Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want to. I put a yes. Sorry.
Bones. Let's go. Baby still sleeping? Baby's still sleeping. Dan is over here. He wanted the Canadian landscapes view. So we got the bone marrow, guys. And this is the mushroom risotto. This is going to be a wonderful meal. This is the cuvee. And this is the rusty nail. Yo, there's a nail. And it's rusty.
If there's too much going on with the spice for me.
Wait, what? I like
what is the
rusty
liquor in
nails.
this?
But it's like a licorice. And I've had the rusty nails and there's, right?
Is this like that cinnamon fireball thing?
That's what, rusty nails are not like that.
Spicy, yeah, like spicy liquor, if you're into that. There's not enough of the rusty nail itself counteracting the rest of that. What do you mean you don't know how to eat it?
Like, I'm using a knife.
Why are you using the knife? That's a strange, you have 3 utensils. Oh, spillage. Rusty nail, not for me.
Let me try one like that. You could get drunk off of it. I want to try the bone marrow. The mushrooms are good. But I didn't get much meat.
Yeah, it looks like the other half of this is all the big deep part of the marrow. I almost want to get another one, but like I almost feel like I don't want to get another one because I should have gotten it from the first one, you know?
How much was that? Oh, so the cuvee. Cuvee, how was that?
You'd have to ask the bench.
All right, so this is the receipt. This was the cuvee, the risotto, the bone marrow, and the rusty nail. The rusty nail was $15, guys. I'm gonna finish that for $15. You know Lisa don't throw away liquor. It's $15. I'm gonna drink that for sure. So the total was $43.75. That was kind of pricey.
I need some of the risotto, guys. That is excellent. Excellent.
The bone marrow is kind of hard to eat. Pot
You know how to
scrapings.
work a bone.
Alright. So the risotto is really good. I think the issue is that because there's so little meat in the bone marrow,
Yeah.
it kind of teases you while you're eating these two together. Now I'm like, yo, I want a bite of like meat.
We're now at Pastoral Palette. Hearty dishes inspired by timeless Bavarian folk art. So we're gonna do the red wine braised beef short ribs with parsnip puree, broccoli, baby tomatoes, and aged balsamic. And then Dan's gonna do a play on rosé flight. So that's 10:50 flight. And this is the beautiful short ribs. My husband got me a separate shirt. He was like, I'm not gonna share. So he got 2 short ribs. Okay. That is parsnip. Okay, first bite.
Not like part of the Jamaican, like I have to eat everything scalded hot.
But is it hot enough?
But yeah, I feel like everything, from my experience, no, you know what? I think Black Americans are like that too. Like, but I don't know. I'm just not like, I'm not like, oh, I want my food warm, you know, like lukewarm. But scalding hot where it's so hot, like I can't eat my food, that doesn't make sense. But yeah, I feel like, as much as I'm saying that, nothing here has been like served hot. Everything has been like,
I think that's just consistency. Guys, I am cold, okay? Like I'm
I was
freezing.
wondering if you had.
I don't think we could do more than one more booth. I gotta head back. That's how it always is. My legs are fine. My upper body.
Thanks for visiting us today.
so if you close the jacket, you still think it means cold?
Masks fully covering your mouth and nose are required.
Well, we
when
haven't
you
tried any of
walk.
the flights, guys.
Wash your
What
hands
are what?
often. Cover your mouth and
No
nose
idea.
when coughing or sneezing.
Yo, even the
Thank you for your cooperation.
Sorry, this is the frozen rosé.
I think you can tell which one is
Frozen rosé. This one is the Blonde Ale. The 81 Bay Brewing Company Blonde Rosé Blonde Ale. And this is Rosé Hard Cider. Okay, that wasn't too difficult. Yo, why are flights so difficult to come out?
Just this one.
Oh, this is nice.
The blonde ale,
That one's good.
I think I just like the rusty nail enough that the blonde ale doesn't look appealing to me because of the color. Which isn't fair to it.
More cheese? More cheese? More cheese, please?
More cheese. So,
More?
off pure just appearance, just because this is just a frozen, thing, I'd probably go with this one. It's the only one I taste so
I'm
far.
eating. So, our child pretty much eats Tillamook cheese. Tillamook wants sponsorship. Sponsor anybody? Sponsor us.
Sponsor Kellan, because he literally eats Tillamook cheese like every day of his life.
Every day.
He's reached the picky phase, and it's the only thing that made it through the pickiness.
How about you? Only one. Hold on.
Of cheese.
This balsamic, on point. Did you try it?
This Tillamook cheese is Tillamook.
Explain what that meant.
What?
Explain that.
Explain what?
What does Tillamook mean?
You don't know Tillamook cheese until, like, if you taste Tillamook cheese,
That frozen rosé, hidden. We need a scale.
did you just say hitting?
Hitting, like,
So then you overpronounce the T's. This is nice, but this is like a beer.
excuse me, I'm sorry that I'm educated. I know how
You
to
just did hitting a while ago and then went to hitting.
hitting.
Yeah, this is like a beer.
And Steve and I are in sweatshirts.
This one? It's a pale ale, baby. Blonde pale ale.
No, but the thing is, it says Rosé Flight.
It's
You got 2 out of the 3 are rosés. That's
Where did the card go? It's a rosé blonde ale. So you're supposed to have
I don't taste
rosé.
any rose in
Let
it.
me see.
I got the blonde ale part.
Yeah, it's a blonde. It's a nice blonde ale. I like blonde ales. Yeah. You see airplane? I think you hear the fan, Baba. That was lovely. I will share that
Best.
with you. But that was lovely.
What?
Usually we don't get anything good over in like Germany area. Like remember, this is not representing the actual country. It represents like elements of the country. But this
Well, no, that's not fair because what I will say is there's not usually something over here we can eat. It's normally when they go with German, they go with sausage and stuff like that, pork-based stuff. So there's not why you can't
I
eat there.
believe last year they had a vegan sausage. I remember that. For food and wine.
But like Italy, for example, usually has things that we can eat, but then it's just either it doesn't sound all that appealing and then I don't give it a chance.
He literally never eats
Or-
at Italy. The one time
it's
at Drink
bad.
Food and Wine that I got you to go to Italy, we get it to the front of the line, sold out. Done. You've never gone back to Italy. And this was like, yo, come, let's stop in Italy. Let's try this. No. But one time they were like sold out. You could wait like an hour or something and you were like, and we never went back. So, name works. They write your
That's
name
serious.
in like funky letters. I like that. Look at your child. I want you to look at his face right now. I'm pushing all the way to the back end.
So he can taste it.
Taste. Look at his face. Look at his face. Look at the gluttony right there.
What are you doing?
That's your child. That's straight gluttony right
What are you
there.
doing?
I don't even know. He doesn't even know what he's doing right now.
You're dropping the cheese all on it. It's something that you eat that irritates me so much. If I'm trying to feed you, I'm like, yo, eat this. That's delicious right here. Just open your mouth and put the thing in your mouth. You will like, it could be this big. You're gonna decide, you know what, I'm gonna bite it. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing.
Let me tell you, when you try to be nice, I'm trying to share with you and you're like, I don't get it. I don't get it. I'm like, okay. Oh, look, that's the cookie
It's
that
right
they
here.
paint. You think he'd like that?
The cookie?
Yeah.
He might like the cookie. I don't think he's gonna get the paint part.
You think you're messing something? But it's just like icing, right?
Yeah.
Ask somewhere they got the paintings on.
There's a lot of good ones. Excuse me, guys.
It's right there, the refreshment outpost.
Thank you.
It's hidden. Let's see. And by the way, here, that blue raspberry one's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay.
Try that. Place.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's the next stop. Refreshment. I was like,
No.
one more stop.
Yeah,
Two more stops.
you
So I
said
was
that's
like, one more
your
stop,
that's
'cause
your last stop.
There's a
Hold on, I'm gonna make this good.
What's why I always get wrong? That's
I'm
over there
gonna
is
make this
Japan.
good.
Over
I'm
here
gonna
is
make
China.
this good.
You are mixing what?
I'm gonna make this.
I want you to see what he's doing right now.
It's gonna be good. Don't get mad at me, blonde ale people. but this
Yo,
is about to
the
be really good.
blasphemy right now. He just mixed the pale ale and the
So it's a strawberry
hard
blonde.
cider. It's a strawberry blonde. Okay, that sounded kind
Better.
of. Let's see.
Better.
Yo, they're gonna be mad that we just did that. We remixed it.
Better.
Yo, you remember when they were doing refixes?
Yeah.
It is. So I'm not gonna call out your name, but the Rose Blonde people from Tampa, make it a little more rose-esque.
What is
If you make it a little more
81
rose.
Bay Brewing?
I just told you not to say the name.
Why? No, listen.
Make
Get
it more
what you
rosy.
can get because Disney is not big old Disney and little old.
More cheese?
81 Bay Brewing. It's good. I did mix your, so if that was like blasphemy and you want me to visit, see why that was like that.
You think he'll eat the cookie? You really think he'll
He'll eat the
understand
cookie,
but
definitely.
not understand the concept of it?
But the painting of
Or
the,
maybe take it home and do it with him.
yeah.
Take it home and
But
do
you
it
better be careful because you got white walls and all of that.
It's icing though, it's not paint.
So that means food coloring gas.
That was excellent. That was excellent. So far, was that the best?
The frozen rosé is
Oh no.
icing.
No. Let me tell you. If you get the short rib
As
from
in,
Germany,
like, ice
right?
and frozen.
Or the Germany
Not
area.
the movie Frozen.
Listen. You get the parsnip and pureed parsnip and the short rib, and get the risotto from over in Canada area.
Everything will be cold by the time you get it together.
It is a little distance. It is a distance. Yeah, you're right. But
But if you bring a portable microwave with you and plug it up,
yo, you don't remember when the people brought the little barbecue pot with them?
that was ridiculous. What
That
were
was
they
crazy.
doing? Like hot dogs or something?
Oh, okay. This is the thing. When you have a more specialized diet, they look like Orthodox Jews. So their diet can be a little more difficult to cater to. So with that, you cater to yourself and you bring your own food.
Okay, unless it's a false memory, what they were eating didn't look like it was anything
They were
particularly.
preparing their own food.
Yes,
So
I
a lot
agree.
of kosher preparation.
But what I'm saying is, it didn't look like it was particularly. It would be like if
How
you
did
saw
you get
somebody.
this out?
I mean, the same way you get it in there. Just slip it out.
Baby, Baba, why did this get up any higher?
Why didn't you just bring his plate?
What?
Why didn't you just bring his plate?
His blanket?
Plate.
That's my plate.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah, he's sharing right now. That's mine.
So you brought it for yourself?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Papa, leave my foot.
Oh man. My uncle feel like it won't pop. But if it pop, bye-bye.
Please hang up and try again.
You ain't done that?
Yeah. That's too sweet. We're experimenting. Oh, that's the Remy hat.
I don't think that's the Remy hat, baby.
Yeah.
I think that's just the Pope.
What?
That might just be the Pope.
That's not the book. Look, that next level.
Baby, that might
That's
just be
next
the
level,
Pope.
next level,
He's
next-
just trying to
next
get out.
Next level. That is next level. Because when you get her, you're not getting the short rib. You didn't want the short rib.
I gotta get the school bread.
Oh, you want to try get the scoop rib?
It's probably gonna be done
That's
again.
over here.
No, it's like in Norway or something. Before we end up like
That was
retiring,
fire, right?
yeah,
Before we retire.
I'm gonna eat the school bread one. And then I'm gonna eat it and I'll be like, not that great.
That's what's gonna happen for real.
Ow, man. Yo, my ankle just popped.
Yo, it's cold right now.
I just did one of these like snap kicks.
I think I'm gonna end up buying a sweater by the end of this today.
I know it seems like we're having like two totally different conversations where we're not listening to each
So let
other.
me tell you something out of that. My husband got to keep talking about his leg. There's nothing I can help him with.
And the thing is, she gonna ignore the hell out of me.
What do you want
But
me to say?
make me be like on the other side of the house, and I go, ow. She gonna run in there with like EMS and like, oh my god, I heard you make a sound. Like that wasn't that big of a deal.
Should I give him more cheese?
Yeah, I think I just like reduced my ankle.
What do you think you'll eat the caramel popcorn? You want to try that with me?
We'd have to go back that way, no?
Yeah, right there.
What are you doing?
Not to say it, but Hangla Bakery. So we are getting some Norwegian treats. Some Norwegian treats. I'm getting number 1, school bread. Always supposed to be here, but every time we come here, it's sold out. So, school bread for $4.49. Hola, on top. Hola. Hola. Always wanted to try this. How excited are you? I don't know what these are, but they're very pretty looking.
So I've been waiting a very long time to try it.
Waiting patiently.
This is creamy. Okay.
Kellan over here is impatient. Dan, tell us all about it. The texture looks like bread, so I don't know if that's gonna be
It feels
good.
like it too.
So it's like a sweet bread.
So after waiting this long to try this, and coming several times and not getting it, there's only so much hype that you can build around something. I like this.
Oh, I didn't think you were going to.
I like it.
Okay, so now we're gonna try the troll horn.
I think you've had it before?
No, I've never had it before.
It's not something I think I would eat the whole thing by myself. It's
Okay.
shareable. It's,
Okay.
It's just so big.
But now he's gonna try the troll horn.
Oh, this is nice. This is like cream on a
Like a pastelito. That's what it looked like. It looked like pastelito. So, all right, let's go.
This I like.
Okay. You can try this one.
You got me at the orange.
All right. Baby just wiped the cream off.
I can give you orange. This one is so juicy.
This one is nice. The Danish cookies. Are they Danish cookies? Yeah, the tin blue cookies. That's what it kind of tastes like. With cream. Okay. School bread, real quick. That's a lot of cream, guys. A lot of cream. Let's see.
I can see it, yeah. Especially the sugar top, but I think the elephant ear is a good comparison. Or the butterfly or whatever.
So I don't like donuts that have cream in it. But that's excellent. I would eliminate, there's like a, what is it, like, it's not cinnamon.
I think it divides
Like an anise?
because it has coconut. People are very...
You know anise flavor? Is that what it is? Anise? There's like a earthy kind of, it's not licorice, it's like anise flavor to it.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, there's like a aftertaste of anise that I don't like. But the cream is really nice. The coconut flavor is nice. My mother would love this because they got coconut. But yeah.
It's
And then the pastelito over here that they acting like it's a pastelito. I'm gonna give them that. It's a pastelito. So
I like how you're acting like
it's a pastelito. We're gonna run from the cold, so we'll see you back home. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. Okay, so the lady that was here earlier, she finished. And she did the elephant. Yes. You know I love elephants. So she finished. And then there's the cocoa one that the other lady was working on. So she finished that as well. Well, that was another lady, but awesome. I am Groot, guys. I am Groot. Yeah, guys. So thanks for joining for another EPCOT day. We appreciate the love and support. If you haven't done it already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I post very often, so hit the bell notifications so you know when we're posting.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time. You will always be my inspiration.